mirror to get himself ready before he went on stage. So Jimmy has done this beautiful poem called The Mirror. And it says here, a mirror cannot speak, unable to tell all it is seen. The older the mirror, the more it has to reveal. Reflections through time of lives been and gone, but the mirror is eternal, it goes on and on. The mirror was made in a bygone age, when theatres with live entertainment were all the rage. Charlie Chaplin, Harry Lauder, Stan Laurel, to name but a few, gazed into this mirror and checked the view. Then going on stage, treading the boards of one of Britain's most famous music halls. The Argyle Theatre of Varieties, Birkenhead, known as the Cradle of the Stars, was home to this mirror of ours. Until that fatal night during the Blitz, a bomb fell to earth and blew it all to bits. Miraculously, the backstage mirror survived intact and retains the reflections of every act. Today it is on display with details of its illustrious past, replete with all the facts. You can stand in front of it as I did and be in awe as you consider the countless famous people who stood before you in the days of yore. Isn't that a lovely poem from Jimmy? Let's give him a little round of applause. And there he is. So, when you're having a look round later on, stand in front of this mirror like I did, and very theatrical, and just imagine Harry Lauder getting ready to go on stage, and Chaplin, Stan Laurel. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. And there it is, the mirror itself from the backstage of the Argyle Theatre. So wonderful and a beautiful poem.
Underneath the arches, we dream of it away. And underneath the arches, on cobblestones we lay. Every night you find us, tired out and worn. Happy when the daylight comes creeping, heralding through the dawn, sleeping when it's raining, and sleeping when it's fine. We hear those trains rattling by our they nearly gone below. No matter where we stray, underneath the arches, we dream our dreams away.
Leaning on a lamp, or you may think I look a tramp, or you may think I'm standing round to steal a car. But no, I'm not a crook, and if you think that's what I look, I'll tell you why I'm here and what my motives are. All together now. I'm leaning on the lamppost at the corner of the street in case a certain little lady comes by. Oh me, oh I hope the little lady comes by. I don't know if she'll get away, she doesn't always get away, but anyhow I know that she'll try. Oh me, oh I hope the little lady comes by. There's no other girl I'd wait for, but this one.
The curtain never falls on memories. They live with us Always remember that even before our nans and granddads had twinkled in the eyes of sweethearts, there were tumblers and jugglers, sword swallowers and fire eaters, tightrope walkers and strolling players, clowns and harlequins, heroes and villains, mystics and magicians, minstrels and mummers, mimers and mischief makers, memory men, teasers and balladeers, cross-dressers and dandies, swells and scoundrel unicyclists, poets and ventriloquists, dummies and gypsy queens, all bringing joy and tears, gasps and giggles to our very own Hall of Varieties, the Argyle Theatre.